Distance may separate families, but your support should never stop. Whether it's your child studying overseas or a loved one living abroad, GlobalPay helps you send money quickly, securely, and compliant. Family Maintenance Remittance allows you to support your close family members abroad with their daily expenses, including accommodation, medical costs, shopping, transportation, and other essential needs. It is a secure, legal, and RBI-compliant way to transfer funds internationally, ensuring your loved ones receive financial support whenever they need it. Why choose GlobalPay? Fully RBI-compliant and trusted process. Live and transparent exchange rates. No hidden charges. Fast and secure settlements. Remittances can be sent only to close relatives including spouse, parents, son or daughter, son's wife, daughter's husband, brother or sister. Documents required for the remitter: PAN card, passport, driving license, voter ID or masked Aadhaar address proof. Signed form A2, payment proof. For the beneficiary, passport copy, proof of relationship if required, overseas bank account proof. How to send money with GlobalPay? Download the GlobalPay app. Complete your profile and KYC. Go to Send Money, Personal Remittance, Family Maintenance. Add beneficiary details and enter the transfer amount. Make the payment. Your remittance will be processed and you will receive a notification once the transfer is completed, typically within 1 to 2 business days. No matter the distance, your financial support reaches your loved ones quickly and securely with GlobalPay. Dial or write for assistance. Customer support at wsfxglobalpay.com +918 976 70 7222. Enjoy the seamless experience of Forex Card and app. Download the GlobalPay app from the Play Store and App Store.